What's going on, guys? Zach Holman from Twin Falls, Idaho. Listen, if you're not a clever investor, stop sleeping, bro. I promise you, this stuff works, all right? This stuff, like, you can say it doesn't work. You can tell me it doesn't work. That's fine. But it works. Look at this. How can you tell me it doesn't work when I am out here getting paid with my own business name? Like, what? Who would have thought? Who would have thought I'd be in my grandma's spare bedroom, sleeping in a damn twin bed, making 5K off flipping houses? It works. Trust the process. I promise you. As long as you put the work in, like your mentors tell you. Thank you, Elisa, for being my mentor. I couldn't have done this without you. But just trust the process, man. It works. It works, and it'll work and work and work as long as you do. So stay on it. Clever investors. Let's help these people out. Let's help ourselves out. Let's make this place a better place for all of us.